In this session, you are going to understand how to create a Kali Linux image on Amazon EC2. For the demonstration, you need to have the following prerequisite available. You need to have Amazon Web Services account. To create the account, you can proceed to the website console.amazon.com, and on the website here, you can sign up for a new AWS account. To do this, you can go for a free basic plan, and this basic plan will cost you INR 2. You can use your credit or a debit card to create a free Amazon account. For the demonstration, I have an account created and I have logged in to my account. Once I have logged into my account, you can see that various Amazon AWS web services are listed here. We are going to make use of compute services, and the service which we will use is Elastic Compute 2. This is to create virtual servers in the cloud. Once we have clicked on the link, we have got EC2 Management Console, where at the moment I have two different servers running. In this demonstration, we are going to create a new Kali Linux instance on Amazon EC2. To proceed, we'll click on Launch Instance. Once we click on Launch Instance, you can see that we have various quick start Amazon machine images available. But at the moment, I would like to proceed to AWS Marketplace, where we have Kali Linux image available. On the marketplace, we can search for Kali, and once we search, you can see that we have a Kali Linux operating system available, which is Kali rolling version. This is sold by Kali Linux. At the moment, for the software, this is the dollar rate, 0.00 hour for software plus AWS usage fee. What you can do is you can select your Kali Linux image and you can proceed to configurations. Kali Linux is suggested to have a general purpose T2.large machine, but for this demonstration we prefer to go with free tier eligible T2 micro server. We're going to click this image and we are going to review and launch. During launch, we can edit Amazon machine image, we can change instance type, we can modify security groups. In order to modify security group, since we are going to receive shell from various clients, we need to receive the shell on various ports. So we like to allow some of the ports here. So we can add a few rules. I would like to add custom TCP rule, and I would like to open port number from 80 to 6789 port number. I will be using these port. Once we did that, we can proceed and save the rules. And now what we can do is we can review and launch. So once we review and launch, you can see that our rules are added and we can click on launch to proceed. At this moment, we are going to create a new key pair, and the new key pair will be Kali demo. This Kali demo will be key to access your Kali Linux server. We can download key pair, and you can see that our demo.pem has been downloaded. We can proceed to launch instances, and now once the instance is ready, we will be able to access our Amazon EC2 with Kali Linux installed. Once you receive this launch status window, you can proceed to the bottom and you can click on view instances. Once we proceed to the section, we will have a list of all the instances created and running. So at the moment, we have got another Amazon instance, and the Amazon instance created at the moment is your topmost instance, which has the IP address 35.166.108.185, and we can identify that with a key name, and the key name is Kali demo. So now what we can do is, since we have selected this machine, we can proceed to connection. In order to connect we need to have PPK file generated from this PEM, and this we are going to understand in the next session.